Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda, born Narendranath Datta, was an Indian Hindu monk who became a leading yoga guru. He was the disciple of Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. He was born to Vishwanath Datta and Bhuvaneshwari Devi on 12 January 1863. He was an activating force in the movement to promote Vedanta philosophy in the United States and England. In 1893, he appeared in Chicago as a spokesman for Hinduism at the World's Parliament of Religions and so captivated the assembly that a newspaper account described him as an orator by divine right and undoubtedly the greatest figure at the parliament. Thereafter, he lectured throughout the United States and England, making converts to the Vedanta movement. Vivekananda died on 4th July 1902. Ayyankali. Ayyankali was born on 20th August 1863 in Veganur in Thiruvananthapuram to Ayyan and Mala. He faced a discrimination as a child and did not want anyone to face the same trauma as him. Hence, he became the leader of an important anti-caste movement and later fought for basic rights such as access to public spaces, entry to schools and temples, etc. Ayyankali also sought to improve access to education. Some Puliyars had access from around the mid-19th century, mostly through the activities of the Colonial Missionary Society and London Missionary Society. Conversion to Christianity was a prerequisite for attendance at such schools, and there were cases where Puliyars offered to contribute to the cost of supplying teachers for them. However, Ayyankali, who was illiterate, believed that education should be available to all children, and this meant that government schools should allow access to untouchables. He was inspired by Sri Narayana Guru and founded the Sadhu Jana Paripalana Sangam, otherwise known as Association for the Protection of the Poor, in 1907. Ayyankali died on 18 June 1941. Sir Syed Ahmed Khan. Sir Syed Ahmed Khan was also called Khan Bahadur. He was born on 17th October 1817 in Delhi, which was the capital of the Mughal Empire in the ruling times of Mughal Emperor Akbar II. Sir Syed Ahmed Khan, 17 October 1817 to 27 March 1898, was an Islamic reformer, philosopher, and educationist in the 19th century in British India. Though initially opposing Hindu-Muslim unity, he became the pioneer of Muslim nationalism in India and is widely credited as the father of the two-nation theory. Born into a family with strong debts to the Mughal court, he studied the Quran and sciences within the court. He was awarded an honorary LL.D. from the University of Edinburgh in 1889. In 1838, he entered the service of East India Company and went on to become a judge at the Small Causes Court in 1867, retiring from 1876. Believing that the future of Muslims was threatened by the rigidity of their orthodox outlook, Sir Syed Ahmed Khan began promoting Western-style scientific education by founding modern schools and journals and organizing Islamic entrepreneurs. Aligarh Movement. Sir Syed Ahmed Khan's movement, the Aligarh movement, is called so because it was centered around the Aligarh Mohammedan Anglo-Oriental College founded by him in 1875, which is a landmark in the history of Indian Muslim education. The college was raised to the status of a university in 1920. Deoband Movement. Deoband was a revivalist movement organized by the Orthodox Muslim ulema. The ulema, under the leadership of Muhammad Qasim Banotovi and Rashid Ahmed Gangotri, founded the school at Deoband in Uttar Pradesh. Maulana Muhammad ul Hassan became the new Deoband leader in 1890. Ayodhi Tassar. Panditar Ayodhi Tassar, 1845 to 1914, was a radical Tamil scholar, writer, Siddha medicine practitioner, journalist, and socio-political activist. Born in Chennai, he was fluent in Tamil, English, Sanskrit, and Pali languages. He campaigned for social justice and worked for the emancipation of the untouchables from the caste clutches. He worked for the construction of a casteless identity and castigated caste hegemony and untouchability. He considered education as an important tool for empowerment and became the driving force behind the establishment of several schools for the untouchables in Tamil Nadu. Panditar Ayodhi Tassar founded the Advaitananda Sabha to raise his voice for the temple entry of the untouchables. In 1882, John Rathinam and Ayodhi Tassar established a movement called Dravida Kazhagam and launched a magazine called Dravida Pandian in 1885. He founded the Dravida Mahajana Sabha in 1891 and organized the first conference of the association at Nilgiris. Influenced by the Theosophist organizer Colonel H.S. Olcott, he went to Sri Lanka in 1898 and converted to Buddhism. In the same year, he founded the Sakya Buddhist Society at Madras to construct the rational religious philosophy through Buddhist religion. He started a weekly journal, Oru Paisa Tamilan, in 1907 and published it until his demise in 1914.